Hello, welcome back. We have built the coolest little trail here. So we've got our main trail entrance, and then you come to the first section of our little drive-through train trail, which is this spiderweb section here. And as you go through it, which is really neat, you come to kind of our little corner, and then you've got even more pumpkins and stuff along this route, which is really cool. So coming down the trail here, we've got pumpkins. We're gonna hang some like scarecrows and stuff up on the trees here. And then coming into the next section here, you see all the pumpkins in the background there, really cool. And then coming to the next section, we've got our little, let's see if I can get it in the background. We've got our little teepee here, which is kind of hard to see. We've got Mr. and Mrs. Scarecrow. So we've got Mr. Scarecrow here, and we've got Mrs. Scarecrow back there in the teepee. So how you doing, little guy? And it's really cool. So they got their little burn pit and everything right there. And then in the back we've got our teepee. And then coming up here, we have, of course, the John Deere in half of our train because we were hauling some stuff with it. And we've got, where is it? Right there. We've got our little fort, and it's hard to see from the camera, but those two guys both have their little root beer cans up here, so they're just chilling out, hanging out on the side of the fort. And then we come to probably my favorite little guy that got all of this started. He is Mr. Miner Scarecrow. So he's right here. He's got his little mine, and he's got his pumpkins and everything, and he's just chilling out, eating gold and everything like that. So there you have it, our cool little fort fall loop thing, which is really neat.